Today we're going to be changing the oil in a 2005 GMC Envoy. This will require 7 quarts of oil. You'll need a 10-quart drip pan. You'll need 7 quarts of 5W30 motor oil. First, pull the hood latch by the driver's side window. We'll be using Blackstone Oil Analysis to find out how quickly the oil is breaking down. Blackstone offers this service for $28. They will send you an oil vial with documents that will fill out to give them specifics about your vehicle. In our case, we put 9,000 miles out of an engine that has 207,630 miles using mobile 15W30. We can pay online at blackstone.com. We will be using AcDelco PF61 filter. The oil filter is positioned on the passenger side of the engine. You will need an oil filter attachment to remove it. It may require some force. Once the oil filter is removed, replace it with a new one. Be sure to apply a small amount of oil to the rim of the filter before attaching it. You can remove the engine oil cap and dipstick to allow more airflow to push the oil out. Make sure your engine has time to cool down before unscrewing the drain plug. Depending on what year your vehicle is, it will have either 12mm or 15mm drain plug. For the 2005 model year, it was a 12.125mm. So we will use a 13mm socket or wrench. If the plug is seized up, spray it with PB Blaster and let it sit for 2 hours. Position your drain pan below a plug before unscrewing it. You may want to put some cardboard down for oversplash. Allow the engine to completely drain. Try to take your oil sample during the midstream. After the oil is completely drained, screw the drain plug back in and dispose of the used oil appropriately.
This is 7 quarts. Good job, buddy.
We will now put the new oil using a funnel. The inline 6 uses 7 quarts, where the V8 uses only 6 quarts. This is due to the inline style engine. Remember, half a quart of oil goes in the filter, so try putting in 6. And half quarts go through the top of the engine, as half of a quart of old oil will still remain in your engine. Once you have put all the oil back in, tighten the oil cap. You will now have to reset the oil life indicator. If your vehicle is equipped with DIC, simply hit the button till you get to oil life and then hold down the reset button. If you do not have a DIC, turn the key to accessory mode and press your brakes 4 times slowly until you see the oil indicator light flash. And now place your oil change reminder sticker on the upper left corner of your windshield, and you are all set. You can dispose of used motor oil at any local auto parts such as O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Advanced Auto Parts.
The walk of life is playing at AutoZone as I go back to this creepy oil bin thing. Perfect time to be murdered.
After receiving our oil analysis, back we found the following. Thanks for watching.